Doctors are speechless. Just boil 2 ingredients and you will quickly lose all of your body fat. Millions of people dream of losing their extra pounds and being fit, but losing weight is simply not easy and requires a lot of dedication. If you're not a fan of strenuous exercises, we have the perfect solution for you. The truth is, it is Mother Nature that offers these natural ingredients which can help you lose weight by accelerating your metabolism. In this way, you will get rid of those excess pounds without making big sacrifices in your life. For instance, proper diet which includes cinnamon and a bit exercise can accelerate your metabolism and stop your unhealthy food cravings. This in turn will help you lose weight successfully. Here's the recipe that will help you achieve this. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 250 milliliters of water. Preparation: pour the water in a pot and boil it. Add the teaspoon of cinnamon and simmer for several more minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to cool before adding the honey. That's it. Your weight loss mixture is now prepared. How to use: divide the mixture into 2 halves and drink 1 half in the evening before bedtime and the other in the morning. Do this every day for a week and the results will astonish you. Why is it effective? Honey contains important vitamins and minerals, protein, fiber, water, energy, etc. It is thought that it can mobilize the stored fat in the body. Once this fat is burned to give you the needed energy for performing everyday activities, you'll notice a gradual reduction in your weight and relief from the issues of obesity. Scientists explain that cinnamon also provides various health benefits. It can speed up the metabolism and regulate the cholesterol levels. This helps the weight loss process in a natural and effective way. Once these ingredients are combined, their effects amplify, resulting in more lost pounds in the body you've always wanted. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.